are we handing over the keys of our civilization to machines that we barely understand? Let's talk. As artificial intelligence quietly slips deeper into our lives, there's an awkward truth brewing beneath all the hype. We have started to think that this stuff might be a little too clever for its own good. AI is definitely making things faster, sleeker, and sometimes makes us marginally more productive. But lurking behind the curtain are problems that are subtle, and these could significantly alter the life of billions of people. Self-learning AI hackers are dangerous. They poke, prod, adapt, and casually break into networks 24/7. These AI-powered intruders don't need a coffee break. They don't rage quit. They just keep mapping, evolving, and finding that one overlooked vulnerability. AI-powered threats don't need instructions because they can self-learn. Just give them access to a network and they'll map it out and identify weak points. They can observe user behavior, avoid detection, and evolve with each failed attempt. In a world where almost everything is run by code, these attacks hit closer to home than you'd expect. AI-optimized attackers could mess with signal timing and create gridlock in a major city. If they attack communication facilities, internet will be down, mobile service will be sketchy while rumors spread faster than facts. And suddenly, everyone's on edge. Unlike traditional malware that you can isolate and patch, these AI attackers often mutate. This means today's fix might not work tomorrow. They can even test your defenses before unleashing the real attack. This won't be like a sci-fi blockbuster where sleek drones whiz through the air with dramatic musical cues and the good guys always win. Everyone knows that handing over lethal authority to a machine with the emotional range of a paperclip is deeply unsettling. These systems are built to do one thing, that is to identify and neutralize targets. It sounds efficient because it is efficient, and while humans might freeze or hesitate at the thought of pulling the trigger, an AI will not. There will be no room for nuance, no instinct, no context, and no gut check. It will be a clean, fast decision with lethal consequences. This might lower threshold for war because a nation can fight without risking the lives of their soldiers. Decisions that used to take hours after debating options, consulting advisors, weighing consequences can now be made in milliseconds. Once an autonomous weapon is deployed, there may be no way to recall or override it. Worse, two nations with fully autonomous defense systems could accidentally trigger each other. AI systems learn by example. If we show them enough cats, they'll know what a cat looks like. But a bad AI may intentionally poison the data by mislabeling dogs as cats. If you think it's harmless, what if a compromised facial recognition system starts misidentifying unauthorized individuals? Medical diagnostic tools may also begin suggesting the wrong treatment for certain conditions. People relying on these decisions often can't tell the model is poisoned. This could happen until they start seeing a trail of bizarre outcomes, and unlike a traditional cyber attack, there will be no immediate flashing alert. A bad AI can produce a creeping fog of incorrect outcomes until one day everyone realizes they've been steered by a broken compass. Bad data can be weaponized to attack a business, organization, or country. Markets will be ruled by AI bots to make trades incredibly fast. The big players will be algorithms, and they can run circles around human traders. These AI models may do flash trades and perform sentiment manipulation campaigns. They may quietly set up financial bombs, not for profit. It will be for the chaos of it. AI-controlled financial markets are a battlefield of milliseconds. Any organization can operate their own trading AI models, and we don't know how they are trained. They don't need lunch breaks or vacations. They can execute thousands of trades in fractions of a second, taking advantage of tiny, imperceptible fluctuations that would be invisible to us mere mortals. Even without trading AI, financial markets have always been volatile. An AI-engineered market crash in one country could trigger a ripple effect that causes political unrest and economic collapses. This means ordinary people are left without savings, jobs, or homes. Phishing is typically suspicious emails asking you to update your account information or offering you an unbelievable deal on luxury items. These are old, classic phishing scam stuff. But today, AI-powered phishing is like getting a personalized, emotionally engaging letter from your best friend who persuasively asks you to click on a link. You will never see it coming. AI will not just generate random messages. It digs deep into your life, learns your preferences, and then crafts a scam so convincing it's basically a digital impersonation of your friends or family members. In theory, it is possible for phishing AI to create a digital carbon copy of your friend's voice, and you may unknowingly engage with it real time. AI can scan through your social media connections and build a rapport with people you trust. AI has access to all the things you've Googled, watched, or liked on social media, meaning it can tailor messages that play on your recent fears, desires, or curiosities. At the corporate level, these AI-crafted phishing emails could be used to gain access to sensitive business data, which could then be used for competitive advantage or sold on the black market. The truth is, these threats are already here. They're not some distant nightmare we'll face in 50 years. They're lurking just beneath the radar. Bad AI models might silently infiltrate our infrastructures, escalate conflicts in warfare, poison the data we rely on, manipulate our hard-earned money, or perhaps communicating with you right now.